Hello everyone, Clarence here from ChronoLogic, and today I'm here to teach you how to schedule monthly crypto payments with Automate. To start, we must get the signed transactions. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use MyEtherWallet. You can also get signed transactions using MyCrypto. I'm going to unlock my wallet in MyEtherWallet first. This wallet contains the address which you will send assets from. Just a reminder, you should sign these transactions from an exclusive address that will be used solely for this purpose, which is monthly payments. So you can't make transactions before the scheduled or signed transactions that are broadcasted. Otherwise, any remaining signed transactions will be null and void. Click on Send on the left side panel and choose Send Offline. I'll be discussing the fields that you're going to use in signing a transaction. In Type, you can choose the asset that you want to send from the drop-down menu here. I'm going to use ETH for all the transactions that I'll be doing today. In Amount, put the amount of the asset that you want to send. So for all of these transactions, I'm going to send 0.01 ETH. The to address is the address that you want to send your assets. For gas limit and gas price, you can't predict the right values for this particular conditional schedule, so to be safe, you should put 200,000 for gas limit and 50 for gas price. The nonce is the number of transactions sent from a given address. A nonce is deterministic in ETH, intended for one-time use, so it won't overlap the previous transactions. The first nonce should be given out by the wallet, auto-populated by it, and then, for the forthcoming transactions, you will add +1 in the nonce category. The initial nonce is displayed by MyEtherWallet, and since this is a new address that has never been sent any on-chain transaction, the nonce for it will be 0 by default. Whereas if the address had been used before, therefore it would display a different initial nonce. So in my tutorial here, I will start with 1 as a nonce number since I have tested a transaction prior to this tutorial. Here, I have a pre-made spreadsheet with all of the info that I need, like the transaction number, the from address which the assets or payments will be coming from, the address that I'm going to send my assets to, the asset that I'm going to send, the amount that I'll be sending, the nonce number, the signed transaction, and the automate link. You can also create a spreadsheet like this for your future reference. So I'm going to copy the to address and the amount from my spreadsheet and paste it on my EtherWallet. And also change the nonce number. And then press generate transaction. And here you have the signed transaction. You need to copy this signed transaction for Automate. I'm also going to paste this in the spreadsheet that I have for future reference. The signed transaction basically has all the information that you put, like the addresses, amount to send, gas price, gas limit, nonce, and all that stuff. The signed transaction is completely safe and no one can use it to send out future transactions or to decode your private key in any way. Now you can paste the signed transaction in our Automate application. Check on the time scheduling function and set the date on when you want your transaction to be executed. So I want this transaction to be executed November 1st next month. So set the time and time zone. Click schedule. Here you have the automate link. Save this also in your spreadsheet for future references. Let's do 2 more signed transactions and schedule it for December and January. Do take note that I have the same amount to send to all of these addresses, so if you have different amounts to send, change it in MyEtherWallet. Copy the address from your spreadsheet, paste it in MyEtherWallet, change the nonce number, generate transaction. Copy the signed transaction, paste it in your spreadsheet, paste it in Automate. Check time scheduling, set the date, time, and time zone. Click schedule. Save the Automate link in your spreadsheet. We'll do this one more time. Copy the address from your spreadsheet, paste it in MyEtherWallet, change the nonce number, generate transaction. Copy the signed transaction, paste it in your spreadsheet, paste it in Automate. Check time scheduling, set the date, time, and time zone. Click Schedule. Save the Automate link in your spreadsheet. So in this part, I'm going to fast forward this video and schedule all 7 transactions. And that's how you schedule monthly crypto payments with Automate. Thanks for watching, and start scheduling your transactions now.